want you guys to think was beautiful short haircuts that are a great choice for women who really want to, or let's say those women who really want to show off their hair texture and color in that eye-catching way. There's never been a better time to rock your natural hair. So I would like you guys to just keep up with the latest trends when it comes to styling short natural haircuts. Beautiful black women. I just want you guys to see this hair and I want you to see the review of this hair. This hair is done by Mrs. Tahira. Mrs. Tahira is based in Atlanta, Georgia, and she is a beautiful lady that also knows her. I knew Mrs. Tahira from Step the Barber because she's also a client of, and I think maybe that was where she got the inspiration ideas of opening her own salon. I remember when she celebrated opening a new salon over there in Atlanta, Georgia, and when she's doing this women short haircuts. And as you can see from that video, she really knows what she's doing and she's good at that. She's a mother of two kids, three children, and she's really working really good style short haircuts. This is also Babiru. Babiru is another good guy. I showed more of his video yesterday and I'm also showing him today for you guys to really, for those in Brazil, you really have that guy that want to support you and will give you the kind of style you want. So today we have this kind of hairstyles, a really low maintenance cut, and it will allow you to always enjoy the style while also keeping your hair healthy. It's good to always keep your hair healthy. That is why I always talk about using the right products, like using the milk cream, the milk kit, those other good products out there, and some natural oils like the coconut oil, the oil, and some other beautiful oils that are good, for your hair, and will always make your hair look fresh and vibrant. I just want you guys to just take a good look on this haircut. See this beautiful hair, and you can see how it was applied so beautifully. And I want you guys to say this platinum. For those that love platinum hair, you can achieve this also using the Pixie colors. If you wanted to achieve that beautiful platinum if you want. For those that love the pattern, you want to go for some kind of crazy pattern because sometimes it can look old sometimes. So this kind of style is that kind of striking hairstyle that will make everyone around you to love. You can just see how it looks so cute. And the little coils on top making the hair to really look form. So whether you choose a short-lived hair, whether you want the dyed color or you want those color extensions, this haircut will always add a playful and a unique spin to your afro. And this kind of style will let you put your personality into your style. I want you guys to see the review also of this hair. One thing about this hair, apart from the color, this is a mature woman. And you can see that sometimes you don't need to let your age limit you for styling your hair or choosing the right color you want. So whether you have the salt and pepper hair, sometimes you go for this color, using the case I called because that's a good color that I know what to want anyways. And it can give you those finger waves you're seeing on the screen. Because you can see that this style really looks great. Like for all those matured women, for the women, the seniors who really want to stand out and show their uniqueness. Take a good look at the joy Mrs. Tahira gives to this lady. I just love the swag. You can see the tabard and the little coins on it. Don't forget that sometimes when you leave those side shorter and leaving some hair on top, coiling it like this, man, you're gonna unique and it will give you that joy. So take a good look on it. So as you can see, I will also want you guys to see another fantastic style that will take no time to start. And one thing with this style I want you guys to see too is that it's a kind of haircut that will emphasize your natural hair texture. So you can see how this lady flew all the way from a very long distance just to come and sit on the chair of Sister Hera. And here we have other beautiful styles within it. Watch, okay? If it's the first time, subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell to always be notified whenever whatever your mind in the comment section. Still up to understand. Bye for now.